Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today our topic is about add comments. So here we have worked with raw data. In previous lesson I have applied some formatting, some data validation, and also create a list here. So now I want to add some comments that I want to add the things that I have brought some changes to this data in order to understand my coworkers and the person I want to share this data with. So here I select the column. After that I come to data validation, and here you can see I applied this, and here I just come here and add some message here. Here I choose the title, I write shape mode, and here I write something like there are 3 kinds of shape mode. And okay, you can see here when I come here and click, there are 3 kinds of shape mode. So when I come here you can see there are 3. So if someone bring changes, if they add another, so the person who use it will understand this message here. And for example here we have the account manager here, and here for customer type. So I just select this and I come to data, and here I choose the customer type, and here I write here we have 4 different types of customer. And here in error alert we can apply these things. And here, so if the person want to bring changes, so we have here these 3: stop, warning, and information. For information you can bring changes. In warning, like it somehow warn you. So for stop you cannot do anything. And here I choose the warning. For example here I select here customer type, and here you are not allowed to bring changes. Okay, so here you can see it's the message when I go there, like we have 4 different types of customers. So when I click here you can see we have 4 types, but here you can see I want to bring changes to this, like is consumer, like I just type here E and enter. You can see this message pop up like customer type, you are not allowed to bring changes here. So in this case if I say yes, so I can bring changes here, so it's just a warning. So I just say here no. So now I go back, I select this again, I go back here data validation, and I just change this warning to stop. Okay, so now I want to bring changes here. I just type here E again and enter. You can see you are not allowed to bring changes, like I cannot bring changes. So I just cancel this, and here I want to apply comment. So instead of applying comment from data validation, we can add comment from your review, or just select the cell, right click and come here insert comment, click on this. I just write here the order number should not be more or less than it. Yes, so that's it. So whenever I come to this cell, comment will pop up. So when I come here, you can see it shows the order number should not be more or less than 8. And now I want to apply comment on order quantity. So I just select the cell. After that I come here to new comment, to review, and new comment, and here the order is not more than 50. Yes, so the order is not more than 50. Whenever I come to the cell, so this comment pop up. So it's a good way to reduce the confusion whenever we send our data, our document to someone else's. You can see when I select the cell which I have comment on, so I just select this, I come here to next. You can see this one and next, so it just move. And obviously we can delete from here my comment, and also I can edit it. Yeah, that's it about commenting. If you're new here, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Thank you so much.